Hey guys, I'm going to be giving you my Zeely app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is Zeely AI? So it is a sales growth app, and it's also a mobile first AI driven marketing tool aimed at small business owners and Shopify users. It enables you to generate UGC style videos with AI avatars and music in minutes, create static ad creatives using templates and AI rendered copy, launch and optimize ad campaigns on Meta, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google Ads. You can also build and manage a simple AI powered sales page with no code and needing connect payments via Stripe or PayPal and track orders all inside this app. Its goal is to replace multiple marketing tools with one streamlined mobile workflow. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the strengths of this app. So it's got ease of use. So many reviewers praise how intuitive Zeely is, even with no technical skills. You can just upload product info or link, select templates, and let the AI do the rest. Speed, ads and videos can be generated in under 10 minutes once user reported impressive results, starting a video and launching ads in just one session. It's also quite cost effective, so built as a low cost alternative to hiring designers or UGC creators, and there is realistic avatar videos as you can see on screen, so reviewers highlight the quality of AI avatars and automated scripts, which may say help improve the audience engagement. Now, there are some drawbacks and cautions, so billing and cancellation issues. So just be careful of that. Some customers report being charged after attempts to cancel with limited refund options or difficulty reaching support. There are some technical glitches, so reports include slow AI processing, app crashes, or only mobile availability, no desktop integration. Also, there is a limited customization on the app. So, though templates are polished, users say there's room for more video styles, voiceovers, uploads, fonts, and layouts. And also, there are some trust concerns. So, some trust assessments flag the site's reputation as moderate, also questionable, minimal doubts, though no major red flags suggesting caution to use. So, who's really best suited for? So, this is ideal for small businesses, Shopify sellers, e-commerce beginners needing fast turnaround, users who want low-cost automated ad creatives without designing skills, and projects where speed is more important than deep customization.